Hi all, welcome back to Arts and Crafts with Miss Dejah. Today we're going to make shape collage pizza art, and for this activity we will need crayons, or you can use colored pencils or markers, yellow or light brown construction paper, green, red, brown, black, and white paper scraps for your shape toppings, scissors and glue to cut out your toppings, and to paste them into your pizza. If you don't have color construction paper for your pizza shape and toppings, you can color them after you've cut out your shapes. To start, we will trace a circle on our brown or yellow construction paper. I chose yellow this time, all right? So I'm also going to use a bowl for my kitchen to help me get the perfect circle shape for my pizza. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trace the circle, perfect circle. And then once we're done tracing our circle, we can cut it out. And then we'll have our pizza. Now that we have our pizza dough all cut out, next we're going to make our pizza sauce by coloring our pizza with red crayon, leaving just enough room for our crust. I'm gonna go ahead and take my red crayon and just begin to color my sauce. Just enough to leave the crust. Now that we have our sauce all ready to go on our pizza, now it's time to start adding the toppings. First, we're going to start off with adding shredded cheese. So we're going to take our white paper and we're going to begin to cut out small rectangles that will represent our shredded cheese, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut out the edges. To make my cheese, just like this, go straight down. And then we can just begin to cut right across so we have our shredded cheese. Just like this. And once your shredded cheese is all cut, we can start on our next topping, which is our pepperoni slices. Now that we have our shredded cheese all cut up and ready to go on our pizza, we're going to start cutting out red circles for our pepperoni slices, okay? So just like I made our pizza dough with the bowl, I'm going to take the top of my glue and make circle shapes for my pepperoni slices, just like this. Your circles don't have to be perfect, but I just want to go ahead and make some circles with the glue top. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out those circles for my pepperoni to go right on my pizza there. Now that we have our pepperoni along with our shredded cheese all cut out, we're going to go ahead and begin to make our sausage for our pizza. So the way to do that is just to create some brown ovals, just like this. And once you're done making your oval shapes for your sausages, you can go ahead and cut them out. Now that we have our sausage cut out and ready to go, we're going to begin to make our olives. Olives are circle shapes, just like the pepperoni, but they're going to be a little bit smaller. We've been using a pencil to trace our shapes for our toppings, but for this one, we're going to use a white colored crayon so that we can see what we're doing when we decide to cut out our olives. So I'm just going to make some small circles with my crayon, and then I'm just going to cut them out and add my olives to my pizza. Now that we've cut our olives and added those to our pizza, we're going to add green peppers. And how we're going to make our green peppers is by making a triangle shape. Now, you can use the edge of your paper and cut them out like this for your triangle. Or if your paper scraps don't have any edges, you can just go ahead and draw a triangle just like this and cut it out. Now that we've cut out all of our toppings, you should have pepperoni slices that are circles, sausages that are brown ovals, olives that are black circles, and green peppers that are triangle. So now the last thing that is left to do is just to overlap all of your toppings on top of each other and glue them. Now that you have all of your toppings glued on top of your pizza, the last thing to do is enjoy. Bon appetit, and thanks for tuning into Arts and Crafts with me. Bye.